Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Job with RK. So today we are discussing the top 10 most asked OOPS interview questions. If you want to master core Java and crack Java interview, whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, these questions are commonly asked, so it's important to be well prepared. Make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Job with RK for more Java interview questions and Springboard tutorials. So let's see the first question. The first question is, what is OOPS? OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. OOPS is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects which represent real world entities and contains data and behavior. Data means fields and behavior means methods. Okay, so it helps in organizing complex software into modular, reusable, and maintainable code. Okay, next, what is object and class in OOPS? So class means just a template or blueprint for creating object. Okay, objects object is an instance of a class with state and behavior. For example, we have a class car. We have one field, string color, method drive. Okay, we create object of that class car. My car equal to new car. Okay, तो ऑब्जेक्ट हम ऐसे क्रिएट करते हैं क्लास का. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक डायग्राम है जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है क्लास एंड ऑब्जेक्ट को. सपोज दैट एक क्लास होगी कार, उसके पास कलर हो गया, कलर होगा, उसका मॉडल होगा, उसका बिहेवियर होगा, मतलब ड्राइव होगा, ऑब्जेक्ट हो गए, कलर अब रेड हो गया, उसमें मॉडल सेडान हो गया, ड्राइव हो गया. ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर द मेन प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ OOPS? So there are four main pillars, or you can say principles of OOPS: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. The encapsulation means binding data with methods. Abstraction, hiding complex details. Inheritance, reusing code from parent class. Polymorphism means one interface, multiple implementation. Okay, so for that we have a class animal, method void sound, s out, then one more class dog, which extend animal class. Okay, void sound system dot out dot println bark. Okay, यहाँ पे डायग्राम है जो शो कर रहा है फोर प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ OOPS. ओके, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एब्स्ट्रैक्शन एंड इनकैप्सुलेशन? सो एब्स्ट्रैक्शन एंड इनकैप्सुलेशन दोनों का पर्पस क्या है? द पर्पस ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्शन इज हाइड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डिटेल्स and the purpose of encapsulation hide internal state using access. Focus what an object does, and encapsulation how it does it. Achieved by abstract class interfaces, and encapsulation is achieved by private fields plus public methods. Okay, so we have a class account, private int balance, public void deposit int amount, balance equal to balance plus amount. Okay, what is inheritance? How does it support reusability? So inheritance allow a class to use properties and methods of another class. Okay. For example, we have a class parent, void greet method, as out hello. We have one more class child which extend parent class. So in this child class can now use greet method without redefining it. Okay. We have a diagram, vehicle class, and vehicle class have two fields, speed, capacity. So, and vehicle class is extended back to other class, car and truck. Okay, so car and truck will be inherited the property of vehicle class. Okay, next, what is polymorphism? Explain with an example. Okay, so polymorphism means one name, many forms. In Java, it allows the same method name to do different things based on the object that is calling it. Compile time polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism, compile time and runtime. So compile time polymorphism means method overloading. When multiple methods in the same class have the same name but different parameters, it may be type, number, or order. It is called method overloading. The decision about which method to call is made at compile time. Okay, so runtime polymorphism means method overriding. When a subclass provides its own implementation of a method already defined in its parent class, so it's called method overriding. The method to call is decided at runtime. You can say dynamic binding. Okay, we have a diagram which show the polymorphism concept. We have a class car, and it may be sedan or SUV. Okay, next. What is access specifiers in Java? Access specifiers control the visibility of classes, methods, and variables. Private, we can access within the class, within the package, not possible. Outside the package, not possible. Subclass, not possible. Default, yes, within class, okay. Within a package, yes, but outside the package, no. Subclass, not possible. Protected, within a class, yes. Within a package, yes. Outside the package, no. Outside the package, but in subclass, yes. Public, from anywhere, within a class, within a package, outside the package, subclass, from anywhere we can access the public. What is a constructor? Can it be overridden? Okay, so constructor is a special type of method to initialize an object. It can't be overridden. Constructors are not inherited, but can we overload constructor? Yes, we have a class user default constructor. You can say no argument constructor. We have one more constructor user with parameterized string constructor. So we can overload without any issue. What is the difference between abstract class and interface? Okay, so abstract class can have abstract and concrete method, but interface, all methods are abstract till Java 7. But after Java 8 plus can have default and static methods. Variables, abstract class can have variables, but interface only static, final, and constant. Multiple inheritance not supported by abstract class. Interface, yes. Interface support multiple inheritance. Use abstract class is used for EJ relationship, or you can say partially abstraction. Interface for full abstraction can do relationship. For example, we have a class abstract, class animal, abstract word sound, word eat, s out, eating, इंटरफेस ड्राइवेबल वर्ड ड्राइव. सो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्लास में हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड भी रख सकते हैं और कंक्रीट मेथड भी रख सकते हैं, बट इंटरफेस में हम सिर्फ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड ही रखेंगे. बाय डिफॉल्ट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ही होते हैं टिल जावा 7. ओके, नेक्स्ट. डिफरेंस बिटवीन इज ए एंड हैज ए रिलेशनशिप. सो इज ए मीन्स इनहेरिटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डॉग इज ए एनिमल. हैज ए कंपोजिशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल like car has a engine. So we have a class car, class engine. Okay, class car, engine, object engine, and new equal to new engine. It means has a. ठीक है, car has a engine. Okay, class electric car extend car. It means is a relationship. We have a diagram which showing the is a and has a relationship. Class car is a class Creta, and Creta has a engine. Okay, so thanks for watching. We covered the top 10 oops most asked commonly asked interview questions in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.